The English Panda.
Describing Emma's daily routine. 1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I turn off my alarm and get out of bed. 3. I open the window and get some fresh air. 4. I brush my teeth and wash my face. 5. I take a shower and get ready for the day. 6. I choose my clothes and get dressed. 7. I prepare my breakfast and drink some coffee. 8. I pack my bag and check everything before leaving. 9. I leave my house and go to work. 10. I usually travel by bus, train, or car. 11. I listen to music while I'm traveling. 12. I arrive at the office on time. 13. I say hello to my coworkers. 14. I check my emails and start my work. 15. I attend meetings and complete my tasks. 16. I talk with my team about our work. 17. I ask questions when I need help. 18. I take a short break during the day. 19. I have lunch with my friends or coworkers. 20. I finish my work and prepare for tomorrow. 21. I go to a restaurant with my friends. 22. I look at the menu and choose my food. 23. I would like to order this dish, please. 24. The food looks delicious and smells great. 25. Can I have the bill, please? 26. I come back home after a busy day. 27. I change my clothes and relax for some time. 28. I spend time with my family and talk about my day. 29. I prepare dinner and enjoy my evening. 30. I go to bed and get ready for a new day. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for such videos.